In this video, I will guide you on how to change Roblox account location. First, you want to launch open any web browser and head over to roblox.com, or you can open the Roblox app. Now you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, then select settings. Now scroll down a bit and here you will find account location. If you tap on it, you will find that there is no option to change it from here. So what you want to do is open up a new tab and search Roblox support form, then head over to Roblox support. Now here you need to enter your username, but this is optional. Now enter your email address, one more time. Now here you want to select your device type, then select the help category type. For help category, select how to. Now for help subcategory, select change my location. Now describe the issue over here. So go ahead and enter all the details over here, including your new country and region. Double check all the entered details, then tap on the continue option to submit that. Now wait for the Roblox Corporation support team to respond. Follow their instructions to update your account location. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.